Welcome to our channel, Wise Flow. Have you ever felt stuck when speaking English? Like the words are in your head, but they just won't come out? You're not alone. Millions of people feel this way. But here's the truth. You don't need big words or perfect grammar to speak good English. You need something much simpler. You need to think in English and speak in simple, clear sentences. In this journey, I'll show you how to do that, step by step. And the best part? You can start right now. No teacher, no class, just you, your voice, and your thoughts. So let's begin your transformation. Chapter 1. How to think and speak in simple English. Let's start with the first and most powerful habit. When you think in simple English, you speak in simple English. And when you speak in simple English, people understand you. You feel more confident. You speak more. You grow faster. Sounds easy, right? Let me show you exactly how to start. Step 1. Train your brain to think in English. Most people think in their language, then try to translate into English, but this takes time. It confuses, and sometimes it stops you from speaking at all. So here's your first practice. When you see something, name it in English in your head. See a tree? Say, tree. See the sun? Think, sun. Are you eating an apple? Say, apple in your mind. Do this every day. Start small, just a few words. Over time, your brain will get used to it. And one day, you'll realize you're thinking in English without even trying. Step 2. Speak in small sentences. Now let's talk about speaking. Many learners try to make big, complex sentences. But simple is better. Say things like, I am happy. It is hot today. I like tea. These are small. These are powerful. Why? Because they work. They're easy to say, easy to understand, easy to build confidence. When you speak simply, you feel good. And when you feel good, you speak more. That's the secret. Step 3. Practice simple questions. Want to speak more? Ask small questions. For example, what is this? Where are you from? How old are you? These questions are simple but powerful. They help you connect. They invite answers. They open the door to more English. When I was learning, I asked these questions every day. What is your name? Do you like music? People smiled. They answered. And I felt strong. So don't be shy. Ask questions. Small ones. Step 4. Use easy words, not fancy ones. Maybe you don't know the word delicious. That's okay. Just say good or very nice. Can't remember beautiful? Say pretty or nice. Simple words are your best friends. They help you speak more and feel strong. Step 5. Practice in front of a mirror. Stand in front of your mirror. Look at yourself. Say, my name is Ali. I am from Pakistan. I like football. Watch your mouth. Hear your words. It feels strange at first, but it works. You'll feel confident. You'll feel happy. And your English will grow. Step 6. Talk to yourself in English. When you wake up, say, good morning. When you make tea, I am making tea. When you go outside, it is sunny today. These small moments are golden. They train your brain. They turn English into a habit. You don't need anyone else. You don't need a classroom. You just need your voice. So let's review. Think in English, one word at a time. Speak in simple sentences. Every single day. Ask small questions and listen with joy. Use easy words and don't be afraid of mistakes. Smile when you speak because English is your friend. Simple English is strong English. Now, here's your mission. Today, just today, say 3 small sentences out loud. 1 in the morning, 1 in the afternoon, 1 at night. That's it. Do it for 1 day, then do it again tomorrow. Step by step, word by word. Your English will become natural. And one day, you'll speak with ease and without fear. You're doing great. Let's keep going. Together. Chapter 2. How to Make English. Thinking a Daily Habit. Let's face it, habits are hard to build. You start strong, you feel excited. But then, life gets busy. You stop, and your confidence drops. So, how can you make thinking in English a daily habit? Let me show you 5 simple tricks. 1. Connect English to your daily routine. You don't need extra time, just use the time you already have. In the morning, say, I am brushing my teeth, or I am getting ready. At the store, think, I need milk, I want apples. Before sleep, say, today was good, I learned something new. Just 1 to 2 sentences during your normal day. That's all you need. 2. Label your world in English. This is powerful. Look around your room. Name things in English. Say, chair, table, light, phone, pen. You can even add sticky notes in English. Write mirror on your mirror. Write fridge on your fridge. Every time you see these labels, your brain learns. No books, no stress, just natural learning. 3. Use your phone in English. Change your phone's language to English. Yes, do it. It feels hard at first, but soon it becomes normal, and you'll learn new words without even trying. Text your friends in English. Search YouTube in English. Make English your digital world. Your brain will thank you. Set a thinking alarm. Here's a fun one. Set a small alarm, maybe at noon every day. When it rings, stop for 1 minute and think of 3 sentences in English. I am at work. I feel hungry. I want to go outside. It's quick, it's powerful, and it tells your brain, hey, English is part of me now. 5. Don't worry about mistakes. Yes, I saved this for last because it's important. Many learners stop thinking in English because they're scared of being wrong. But listen, nobody speaks perfect English. Even native speakers make mistakes. You're learning, and learning means trying. If you say, he goes to school, that's okay. Next time, you'll say, he goes to school. That's how progress works. Mistakes are not bad. They're proof that you're doing the work. Chapter 3. Talk to yourself in English the right way. You've heard this tip before. Talk to yourself in English. But what does that mean? Here's how to do it the right way. 1. Describe what you're doing. This is the easiest way to start. I am walking. I am cooking rice. I am washing clothes. You're not performing. You're not writing a test. You're just noticing your actions. In English. This builds a connection. You start to feel that English is part of your life. 2. Ask yourself small questions. Here's a cool trick. Ask, what am I doing right now? Then answer, I am watching a video. Ask, what will I eat today? Answer, maybe rice and chicken. It's a little game, and it trains your fluency. Ask, answer, repeat. 3. Use your imagination. This is fun. Imagine you're at an airport. You see someone. You walk up and say, hi, where are you flying to? Oh, I'm going to London. That's nice. I love that city. Make up little stories in your mind. You'll get used to speaking naturally, even when you're alone. This is how actors train. And now, it's how you'll train too. 4. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. You don't need to speak fast. Fast is not fluent. Clear is fluent. Speak slowly. Say each word with care. It's not a race, it's a conversation, and every sentence you say builds your fluency. Chapter 4. Replace overthinking with real speaking. Do you overthink before you speak English? You're not alone. It's very common, but overthinking is the enemy of fluency. Let's learn how to stop it. 1. Speak first, fix later. When you're learning, don't try to make perfect grammar. Just speak, say something, anything. Then go back later and improve it. First, She go to school. Later, oh, she goes to school. That's learning. That's fluency. 2. Don't translate in your head. Many learners do this. They think in their language, then translate it into English. This is slow, and it often causes mistakes. Instead, practice direct thinking. Think, I am tired, not your language, English translation. This takes time, but it works. Soon, you'll stop translating and start thinking like a natural speaker. 3. Use patterns and phrases. Here are your best tools. Phrases. Learn small, repeatable chunks, like, I don't know. That's a good idea. I'm not sure. Can you help me? These are easy to say. They're useful in real life, and they make your brain relax. Collect them, repeat them, use them. 4. Speak even when you're not ready. You'll never feel 100% ready, so speak anyway, even if you're nervous, even if you only know 3 words. Speak. That one small step will give you confidence, and confidence will bring more English. Chapter 5. Create an English world around you. Let's end with something big. You can't learn English in just 10 minutes a day, but you can create a small English world inside your daily life. Here's how. Listen to short podcasts in English. Watch English YouTube videos with subtitles. Write a small diary in English. Read simple books or news articles. Follow English learning pages on Instagram. Make a 5-minute English plan for every day. Each small step adds up. Together, they build your new brain, your English brain. Let's take a deep breath. Now review what you've learned. Check mark think in English, even simple words. Speak in short, clear sentences. Use your daily life to build fluency. Talk to yourself with confidence. Replace overthinking with speaking. Create your English world. And most of all, don't stop. Even one sentence a day makes you better. Today, choose one new habit. Just one. Maybe it's speaking 3 sentences in the mirror. Perhaps it's changing your phone's language to English. Maybe it's writing your plan for the day in simple words. Pick one. Do it today. Then do it again tomorrow. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep going, because every small sentence, every small word, it helps build a confident, fluent English speaker within you. You've got this. Let's grow together.